Hello again, and welcome back to my Eccentric Englishman channel, which has been live now for just over 4 months. We've visited Brixham in Devon, Whitby Abbey and the National Railway Museum in York, Lavenham in East Anglia and Lincoln Cathedral. But it's not all been travel videos. There have been some rather eccentric cooking videos involving quails' eggs, courgette fritters and deconstructed tomato salads. Check these out if you haven't seen them yet. There's also a cautionary video about relying too much on your car's sat-nav when driving the very narrow lanes of Somerset. Future videos in various stages of production and editing include a humorous interpretation of the rules of cricket featuring a local village cricket match, a trip to Salisbury Cathedral, and a very much better video on really very good zucchini fritters. English crafts and customs will follow later in the year with visits to an artisan blacksmith, Morris dancers and possibly bell ringers. So make sure you don't miss any of this by hitting both the subscribe button and the notification bell. And once again, thanks for your support.